To crop an image in Photoshop, select the Crop tool from the tool panel. As soon as you do this, the crop box will appear on the boundary of the image. Position your cursor over any of the crop handles on the corners or edges. Click and drag to resize your selection. The area outside of the box will dim to show you what will be cut away. If you're happy with the overall dimensions of the crop but not the image selection, you can click inside the crop area and drag the image. Now, before you go any further, you need to decide if you want to permanently delete this area or keep it available for future use. In the options bar, there is a checkbox labelled Delete Cropped Pixels. With this checked, the area outside your selection will be permanently deleted. If we uncheck this option, the area outside the crop will be available to us in the future. Let's try it. So now we're happy with the selection, we can click the Commit button, which appears as a check mark in the options bar, or press Enter. Our image is cropped. Now, if we select the Crop tool and click on our cropped image, we can see the original image is still available to us. Let's try this with the Delete Cropped Pixels checked. Click inside the image and we can now see the dimmed area has been permanently deleted.